Welcome to dear brother and sisters. Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. So in this video, I will show you how to write image tag in Visual Studio Code. Okay. So before I go to my folder, there is a local disk. After that, I go to web learning. Then I click here, second website. Okay. Inside, I put some picture. This picture I use from my local disk. After that I will use also uh, one image from online. Okay, so now I will show you how to add in your portfolio from one picture local disk and another picture from online. Okay, so now I go to the code. Here I write deep tech. Okay, first of all I write here deep tech, DIB. Then I got embedded. I click here and I put here. Okay, then I write img, the short form of image tag. Then I click here. I go to my local disk. So local disk, inside the local disk I write image. Inside image folder I got so many picture here. So here I add one picture. Okay, I inside here this picture I add from local disk. Okay, I am AGE, then backslash, then Jubaer, J-O-J-O B-A-B-E-R, Jubaer, Jubaer 3 dot jpg. Okay, control S, then I go to website. I got one picture. Okay, the second things I go to online. I add from online one picture IMG, the short form of image tag img. Then I got embedded. I click here, then I go to the online here. So here I got one picture. So if I click here I got, okay, then I click here, I open this one. Okay, then I take, okay, control C, then I go to image tag. Inside I put the link, then control S. After that I go to website. Here also I got this picture. So thank you so much. Hopefully you guys got your take here. So thank you so much. I'll show you the next video another time. Thank you so much. And put your suitable comment if you face any problem in the comment section. I will try to solve this. Thank you.